Hello students, good morning. How are you all? All fine? That's good. Unit 4 longer, sharper, bigger એ આપણે ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં સમજી લીધું. હવે આજથી આપણે એની વર્કબુકમાં સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું છે. તો ઓપન પેજ નંબર 36 ઇન યોર વર્કબુક. અને હા, તમે તમારી પેન, પેન્સિલ અને વર્કબુક જોડે રાખજો. હું તમને ક્વેશ્ચનના આન્સર લખાવીશ, એ તમારે લખવાના છે અને જેટલું પણ હોમવર્ક આપું એ હોમવર્કમાં કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, ગુડ. અહીંયા રીડ ધ ફોલોઈંગ પેરેગ્રાફ ફ્રોમ ધ લેસન. લેસનના જે પેરેગ્રાફ છે એ પહેલાં હું રીડ કરીશ અને એના પછી એના ક્વેશ્ચનના આન્સર લખાવીશ. ફર્સ્ટ, સોહનસેન વોઝ અ પ્રિન્સ. હી હેડ 3 ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, longer legs, sharper eyes and bigger belly. They had special powers. In that land, another king had a beautiful princess. Many young princes hoped to marry her, but the king, her father, did not want his daughter to marry at all. Question છે first. What was Sohansen? લખો આન્સર. Sohansen was a prince. Sohansen was a prince. Number 2. Who were his friends? લખો આન્સર. He had 3 friends. Longer legs, sharper eyes, bigger belly. He had 3 friends, longer legs, sharper eyes and bigger belly. Number 3. What did many young prince hope? લખો. Many young prince hoped to marry a beautiful princess. To marry a beautiful princess. Number 4. Did the king want his daughter to marry? Answer લખજો. No. The king did not want his daughter to marry. No. The king did not want his daughter to marry. એના પછી 3 MCQ છે. ફર્સ્ટ, ડેશ વોઝ અ પ્રિન્સ. તો બિગ બેલી, longer legs, sharper eyes કે સોહનસેન? તો આવશે ડી, સોહનસેન. How many friends did Sohansen have? 1, 2, 3 કે 4? તો આવશે 3. Number 3. Which of the following sentences is false? A. The king had a beautiful princess. The king wanted the princess to marry. Many princes hoped to marry the princess. Sohansen was a prince. તો false statement છે B. The king wanted the princess to marry. Second paragraph. The king was a magician, so he set 3 difficult tests. Each day he would hide the princess at a different place. The prince had to find and bring her back to the palace. Many princes tried but failed in the test. So the king turned them into donkeys with his magic અથવા તો મેજિકલ પાવર. ચલો હવે એના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ જોઈએ. ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે, વોટ વોઝ ધ કિંગ? લખો. ધ કિંગ વોઝ અ મેજિશિયન. ધ કિંગ વોઝ અ મેજિશિયન. નંબર 2. વોટ વુડ ધ કિંગ ડુ? લખો. ધ કિંગ વુડ હાઇડ ધ પ્રિન્સેસ એટ ધ ડિફરન્ટ પ્લેસ. The king would hide the princess at the different place. Number 2. What had the princess to do? Sorry, number 3 છે. What had the princess to do? લખો આન્સર. The prince had to find and bring her back to the palace. The prince had to find and bring her back to the palace. Number 4. What did the king do to the prince who failed in the test? લખો. When the prince failed in the test, the king would turn them into donkeys with his magic. The king would turn them into donkeys with his magic. MCQ. First, find the opposite of the word easy from the paragraph. તો એનું આવશે difficult, different, donkey કે test? તો difficult. Number 2. How many tests did the king set? How many tests did the king set? 4, 3, 2 કે 1? તો number B, 3. Number 3. The king turned the dash into donkeys. Prince, princess, kings કે magicians? તો prince. Paragraph number 3. Sohansen went to the king. The king said, I have hidden the princess somewhere. Find her out and bring her to me before the sunset. Sharper Eyes looked all around, said, the princess is on the top of a mountain, 100 miles away. Then Longer Legs ran as fast as the wind. He came back with the princess before dark. The king was angry. Question. What did the king tell Sohan Sen? Look, the king told Sohan Sen that I have hidden the princess somewhere. Find her out and bring her to me. Find her out and bring her to me before the sunset. અને આઈથી કરી અને સનસેટ સુધી ડબલ ઇન્વર્ટેડ કોમામાં આવશે. હા. નંબર 2. What did Sharper Eyes see? The Sharper Eyes saw the princess is on the top of a mountain, 100 miles away. The Sharper Eyes see. So. Yes, so. The Sharper Eyes saw the princess is on the top of a mountain, 100 miles away. Number 3. What did Longer Legs do? Look, Longer Legs ran as fast as the wind. Longer Legs ran as fast as the wind and come back with the princess before sunset. And come back with the princess before sunset. Number 4. Why was the king angry? The king was angry because Sohan Sen came back with princess before dark. The king was angry because Sohan Sen came back with the princess before dark. એના પછી MCQ છે. Who could see very far? The king, Sohan Sen, Sharper Eyes કે Longer Legs? તો કોણ દૂર સુધી જોઈ શકે છે? Yes, see, Sharper Eyes. Number 2. Who could run very fast? The king, Sohan Sen, Sharper Eyes ke Longer Legs? तो Longer Legs. Number 3. Where was the princess? In the palace, on the top of a mountain, under a mountain, ke in the forest? तो on the top of a mountain. Number 4. The princess was a dash away, 100 feet, 100 meters, 100 kilometers ke 100 miles. So 100 miles. Number 5. Before dark means before sunrise, before sunset, before afternoon ki before noon. So B, before sunset. Paragraph number 4. The next day, the king said, I have hidden the princess somewhere else. Bring her back to me before the sunset. Sharper Eyes looked and said, the king has turned her into a golden leaf. She is 200 miles away. The leaf is shaking in the wind. Longer Legs ran faster than the wind. He came back with the princess before nightfall. The king was angrier. Chalo, questions છે. Number 1. What had the king turned the princess into? Look, the king had turned the princess into a golden leaf. The king had turned the princess into a golden leaf. Number 2. How far was the princess? The princess was 200 miles far. The princess was 200 miles far. Number 3. Who ran faster than the wind? Look, answer. Longer Legs ran faster than the wind. Longer Legs ran faster than the winds. Number 4. The king was happy to get the princess back. True કે false? તો false. એના પછી નીચે MCQ છે. The king turned the princess into green leaf, yellow leaf, golden leaf ke silver leaf. तो C, golden leaf. Number 2. The princess was dash away, 200 feet, 200 meters, 200 kilometers ke 200 miles. The 200 miles. D. 3. The leaf was dash, dancing in the wind, shaking in the wind. Dancing in the rain कि shaking in the rain, तो shaking in the wind B. Longer legs ran dash the wind as fast as, faster than, as slow as कि slower than. તો શું આવશે આમાં? Yes, faster than B આવશે. Number 5. On the third day, the king said, "Come with the princess before sunset." Again, Sharper Eyes looked all around and said, "The princess is quite closer. She's at the bottom of a very deep lake." The king had turned her into a silver fish. Number 1. Question number 1. Where was the princess? Lakho. The princess was at the water of a very deep lake. The princess was at the water of a very deep lake. Number 2. What had the king turned her into? The king had turned her into a silver fish. The king had turned her into a silver fish. Number 3. The princess was quite far. Far એટલે દૂર. તો far તો નથી એટલે શું આવશે? False. MCQ. The princess was dash quite far, quite closer, quite deep કે quite above. તો શું આવશે? Quite closer B. The princess was પેલું છે A at the bottom of a deep sea, B at the bottom of a deep river, C at the bottom of a deep lake, D at the bottom of a deep well. તો શું આવશે? C at the bottom of a deep lake. 3. The princess had turned into a golden fish, silver fish, diamond fish કે pearl fish. તો આવશે silver fish. Number 4. Which word is the opposite of shallow? Shallow એટલે છીછરું. તો એનું opposite શું થશે? Deep, bottom, closer કે silver. તો આવશે deeper. Paragraph number 6. The 4 friends went to the lake. "Now it's my turn," said Bigger Belly. He started to drink the water. He drank and drank. The lake was almost empty. The prince caught the silver fish. The silver fish turned into the beautiful princess. Both the prince and the princess were happy. They went to the king. The king became very angry. The king turned himself into a crow and flew away into the jungle. હવે એના ક્વેશ્ચનના આન્સર્સ છે તો ચલો એ જોઈએ. પહેલો, what did Bigger Belly do? લખો. The bigger belly drank all the water of the lake. The lake was almost empty. એના પછી number 2. What happened when the prince caught the silver fish? લખો. When the prince caught the silver fish, the fish turned into a beautiful princess. The fish turned into a beautiful princess. Who were happy? The prince and the princess were happy. The prince and the princess were happy. The king was angry. True ke false? So true. What did the angry king do? Lakho. The angry king turned himself into a crow. The angry king turned himself into a crow and flew away into a jungle. MCQ number 1. Who drank all the water of the lake? Sohan Sen, Bigger Belly, Sharper Eyes के longer legs. तो B, Bigger Belly. 2. Who caught the silver fish? The king, Sohan Sen, Sharper Eyes के longer legs. तो B, Sohan Sen. The fish turned into the king, a crow, a leaf के the beautiful princess. तो D, the beautiful princess. 4. The prince and the princess were angry, sad, thrilled के happy. तो happy. The king turned himself into a crow, fish, prince के princess. तो crow. એના પછી છે true false. First, the king was a magician. True. The princess was not beautiful. False. Longer legs wanted to marry the princess. False. 4. The prince had 2 friends. False. 5. The king hid the princess under a mountain. False. 6. The king turned the princess into a golden leaf. True. 7. The king turned the princess into a golden fish. False. 8. Sharper Eyes drank all the water of the lake. False. 9. The king turned the prince into a crow. False. 10. The silver fish turned into the princess. True. એના પછી છે who says these words? 1. The princess is on the top of a mountain. કોણ કહે છે? Sharper Eyes. 2. Now it is my turn. કોણ કહે છે? Yes, bigger belly. Number 3. I have hidden the princess somewhere else. કોણ કહે છે? The king. Number 4. The king has turned her into a silver fish. કોણ બોલે છે? Sharper Eyes. અહીંયા એક સરસ ગાર્ડનનું પિક્ચર આપેલું છે. એના ઉપરથી તમને 5 ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે. હું ક્વેશ્ચન બોલું છું અને તમે એના આન્સર લખતા આવો છો, બરાબર? ધીસ ઇઝ અ પિક્ચર ઓફ અ ડેશ. ક્લાસરૂમ, એસેમ્બલી હોલ, પ્લેગ્રાઉન્ડ કે લાઇબ્રેરી? તો શેનું છે આ પિક્ચર? પ્લેગ્રાઉન્ડનું. નંબર 2. ધ બોયઝ આર પ્લેઇંગ ક્રિકેટ. ટ્રુ કે ફોલ્સ? તો ફોલ્સ. નંબર 3. વોટ આર ધ 2 ગર્લ્સ ડુઈંગ? લખો. The 2 girls are skipping. એના પછી નંબર 4. It is dash. Exam time, recess time, assembly time કે prayer time? તો આવશે B, recess time. Number 5. The 3 girls under the tree are dash. Playing chess, sleeping, reading newspaper કે eating snacks? તો આવશે eating snacks. એના પછી છે કમ્પ્લીટ ધ ડાયલોગ. તમે આ 6th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં શીખી ગયા છો. તો પણ ક્લૂઝ આપેલા હોય અને નીચે કન્વર્ઝેશન હોય 2 પીપલનું, અને એનું તમારે કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાનું હોય છે વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ ક્લૂઝ. તો આ તમારે હોમવર્કમાં કરવાનું છે, તો એ હોમવર્કમાં કમ્પ્લીટ કરી લેજો. ઓકે. એના પછી આ એક્ટિવિટી પણ તમારે હોમવર્કમાં કરવાની છે કે રીડ ધ ડેટા એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન ગિવન બિલો ઇટ. આ પણ હોમવર્કમાં કમ્પ્લીટ કરી લેજો. એના પછી એક્ટિવિટી 7 ઉપર આવી જજો. Write the sentences as shown in the example. Example છે the red shirt cost ₹500, the blue shirt cost ₹460. અને તમને એમાં ઓપ્શનમાં આપેલું છે કોસ્ટલી અને ચીપ. તો આમાં કમ્પેરેટિવ ડિગ્રીમાં સેન્ટેન્સ ફેરવવાનું છે. તો શું આવશે? the red shirt is costlier than the blue shirt. અને આવ્યું the blue shirt is cheaper than the red shirt. કઈ ડિગ્રી આવી? the degree of comparison. ફર્સ્ટ નંબરનું લઈએ. માય રૂમ ઇઝ 10 feet લોંગ, મોહન્સ રૂમ ઇઝ 9 feet લોંગ. બિગ અને સ્મોલ. તો પહેલાં આપણે લઈશું માય રૂમ ઇઝ બિગર ધેન મોહન્સ રૂમ. માય રૂમ ઇઝ બિગર ધેન મોહન્સ રૂમ. સેકન્ડ છે મોહન્સ રૂમ ઇઝ સ્મોલર ધેન માય રૂમ. મોહન્સ રૂમ ઇઝ સ્મોલર ધેન માય રૂમ. એના પછી નંબર 2. માય ગ્રાન્ડફાધર ઇઝ 70 years old. Neha's grandfather is 75 years old. હવે ઓલ્ડ અને યંગ તો લખવાનું છે. લખો એમાં ફર્સ્ટ Neha's grandfather is older than my grandfather. Neha's grandfather is older than my grandfather. એના પછી આવશે my grandfather is younger than Neha's grandfather. My grandfather is younger than Neha's grandfather. એના પછી નંબર 3. Aman's height is 110 centimeter. Manan's height is 110 centimeters. તો બંને ડિગ્રી પોઝિટિવ છે કે બંનેની હાઇટ 110 સેન્ટીમીટર છે. તો કઈ ડિગ્રી આવશે? પોઝિટિવ ડિગ્રી. તેમાં આવશે Aman is as tall as Manan. Aman is as tall as Manan. એના પછી નંબર 4. My pencil is long, your pencil is not so long. Long અને short. તો આ તમારી રીતે હોમવર્કમાં કરવાનું છે, અને નંબર 5 પણ તમારી રીતે જ હોમવર્કમાં કરવાનું છે. ઓકે. એના પછી એક્ટિવિટી 8, 9 અને 10 એ ત્રણેય તમારે હોમવર્કમાં કરવાની છે. એક્ટિવિટી 8માં શું છે? તો રિપ્લેસ ધ અંડરલાઇન વર્ડ્સ વિથ ધ કરેક્ટ ઓપ્શન એન્ડ રાઇટ A, B, C ઓર D ઇન. કે તમારે રિપ્લેસ કરવાનું છે અંડરલાઇન વર્ડને કરેક્ટ ઓપ્શનમાં. એના પછી ગ્રાફ છે એનું સ્ટડી કરવાનું છે, અને એના ઉપરથી ક્વેશ્ચનના આન્સર લખવાના છે. અને એના પછી છે અ વિઝિટ ટુ અ ફેર એસે. જે તમારે હોમવર્કમાં કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ઓલ ઓફ યુ? સમજી ગયા ને બધા જ? તો અહીંયા આપણે આ વિડીયો કમ્પ્લીટ કરી છે અને આપણી વર્કબુકનો 4th લેસન પણ કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.